Imesoma weche mag ohala ni en fung'ruok ne jopur niang' bang' do chungo kuom kinde chik manyocha ogol gi board matayo sekta mar sukari mano Kenya Sugar Board mar chungo chenro mag rego sukari kuom dweche 3. Doho ma Busia okawo okang' mar chungo chikno kapodi winjo bura ma ochwal gi jopur niang'. Kenya Sugar Board nyocha ochiwo milome ni niang' obedo manok kendo chunogi mondo kembe mag sukari olor tijegi kuom dweche 3. Justice William Musyoka ochiwo thuolo ne jopur mondo chwal ng'ur margi e ndalo 5 kod ndalo 7 ne joduok penjo mondo opedh duoko maggi. Jopurgo oloso bang' yudo fung'ruok makamano.
Which effectively means that the miller companies can now resume processing sugarcane and collecting mature sugarcane from farmers. We are also urging the Kenya Sugar Board to comply with the court orders that have been given, and the millers also to comply with the orders and continue processing the matured sugarcane of the farmers. The stay order is an interim order that goes on until when the case is heard. But in the interim, we expect that operations do continue as usual.
And today, I want to thank the High Court for granting the farmers an opportunity again to continue with their farming activities of sugarcane, being our main cash crop. And we as farmers of sugarcane here in Busia, and if the factories are closed for the next 3 months, we shall have a very big problem financially.